What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to do a quick video about replacing rear brake pads on this KTM. I apologize, I haven't cleaned the bike since my last ride, but here's what we got going on here. These are the factory pads, and they are wore down to metal. I guarantee you we're going to see where it has gone metal to metal when we take them off. The reason why I mentioned cleaning the bike is it's a good idea to keep your bike nice and clean so you can spot things like this quicker and easier. I actually let it go too far because this caliper was caked in mud, and I just kept riding it and not washing it. So this is what you get. I almost had to buy a new rotor. So let's get to it, huh? So it's a fairly simple process. I'm not going to bore you with all of the specifics, but I will say let's go ahead and make sure the surfaces are clean. I got a little brake clean here. You know, if the caliper was already clean, wouldn't be an issue. But so changing these pads are actually really easy. This pin actually holds both of these pads in. So what we're going to do first is squeeze these apart a little bit. Get you a nice little flathead somewhere in here. This is my bring my tools home from work setup. So we're just gonna squeeze them apart a little bit. Collapse the piston back in the caliper there. It moves real easy. Don't put a heck of a lot of force in and damage your rotor, of course. But you know, just kind of see when your caliper's caked in mud, it gets stuck. And it doesn't allow this thing to float like it should. So there we go, she's nice and floaty now. Okay, so KTM's, real simple. A lot of other dirt bikes, Hondas and Kawasaki's, there's probably an 8 to 10 millimeter bolt head right here. In KTM, this pin is literally pinned. So you just pop your pins out, hold these, don't lose them. See, there you go, from right here. This pin should now just slide out. What I like to do is kind of twist it a little bit to kind of break up the little stuff, little dirts and stuff, and it just pushes out. When your pin pushes out, you'll see your first pad here, literally comes right off. Second pad comes right off. There we have it. I'm going to give you a close-up shot on the inside here. Actually, I'm going to clean it up first, and then I'll give you a close-up shot. So anyways, I picked me up some EBC pads. Highly recommend the brand EBC. Use them on my cars, trucks, this truck. Good stuff. So yeah, going back in just as easy as coming out. You just push it in there. If you notice, there's two little grooves there. Those grooves sit there. You just push it in like such. Push your pin in a little bit to set that one. Now, in this particular case, we might have to spread the caliper just a little bit more here. Let's see if we can see that. Just spread it a little bit more. Take your other pad, slide it on into the groove. Push your pin in. Make sure you got two holes here. Make sure your holes are facing upward. Snaps right on in. You got your holes facing up there. Push your pins back in. 1, 2, and the only other thing left is to pump the brake pedal. And there you go, done, easy peasy. Referring back to the beginning of the video, why it's important to keep your bike clean so you can identify problems like this. Look at this. Look how close he's got. This one did go metal to metal. If you look on the back side of this rotor, it's not really scratched, not really grooved too bad. So she's going to be okay. But yeah, 2 lessons for the day. How to replace your pads and keep your bike clean. So we're going to go for a test drive. See how they slow us down. Oh yeah. Slow us down nice and good. So, yeah, seem to be working just fine. I suppose that's going to be the end of this video. And I got a couple other things. I got a video that's going to trigger a bunch of people. A bunch of things I hate about this KTM. I haven't decided on a number yet, but yeah, there's going to be a video named bunch of stuff I hate about this KTM. So look out for that video coming up soon. And I'll catch y'all very shortly. Peace.